there was a lot of noise. So yeah, I just make sure that I muted everyone. But guys, how was the weekend? Is everybody good? Is everybody having a splendid had a splendid weekend? How was the weekend? I'm still waiting for people to come and join us so that we can go through our breakdown and so that we can see how the market can go as of today. But nonetheless, guys, how was the weekend? How was the weekend, guys? How was the weekend? Let me see. If you're here, just shout out to any building. If you're here, just shout out to any building so that I can see that you are representing from the streets. So that I can see that you are representing what's happening, guys. What's happening? I'm not seeing comments, guys. What's happening? What's happening in the chat box? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Snake gang in the building. Come on, man. Stop messing with me, man. Stop tripping, bro. Mongales, what's happening? What's happening, man? What's happening? What's happening, my brother? Guys, keep those comments coming. Keep those comments coming. Keep those comments coming. Hopewell Siabonga in the building. What's happening? What's happening, man? What's happening? Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys, for evening lunch? For evening lunch, is it lunch, guys, or is supper, or is dinner? I don't know, guys. But Joel, I'm in the building, brother, man. What's happening, man? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, man? Brother, man, it's been a while, man. Man, you said you're gonna come through, but you didn't pull through, man. I was disappointed, man. I was disappointed, man. I was disappointed. But nonetheless, guys, okay, guys. So I'm just gonna go through the breakdown of US30, and then we're gonna go through the breakdown of Nasdaq, and then we're gonna go through the risk management criteria as to guys. You know that you mustn't risk more than 1 or 2% of your account. Yeah, so far everything good. Last week we had like we had 1 loss and we had like 3 wins, which was super great. Super amazing. Please analyze the state with patterns like in a course such as I don't use patterns in terms of this strategy because this is the strategy that I invented on USD. So I wouldn't use something that I haven't backtested with half past 3 like patterns. I haven't backtested how it often respects patterns. I haven't backtested how it more often tests patterns than respect patterns at half past 3. So I wouldn't be, because I know that people are using their money here. I wouldn't be testing something with their money. Instead, I would be backtesting. So going to my 15-minute time frame, guys, we're gonna see that US30 has been making pushing to the downside, making these lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Eventually, we made equal lows here, as you can see, and then we started to push to the upside. Not much of a momentum, and then we started to see price rolling over all the way to the downside. Super nice and simple. And then again, we saw price coming to make these equal highs here. So we're expecting price to react to these areas either way, whether we find our buying opportunities or we find our selling opportunities. But remember, guys, I always say this: don't be a trader that is trying to be predictive of what the market is doing, but be a trader that is reacting to what the market is doing. So I want you guys to react. Yeah, the lot size, everything is there now. Going to our Nasdaq, let me just go to our Nasdaq quick, fast causes. You already know. So guys, looking at Nasdaq, as you can see, we do have a trending market, as you can see, making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs. Super nice and simple. Let me just throw down to my 5-minute time frame so that we can draw our zones. Super nice. So first things first, guys, you can see that we do have this area here, which price did react upon, which is our resistance here. Super nice. So I'm just gonna remove this. And then again, guys, here we can see that we do have this level of support here that was respected by price. Couple of more times. I would really take it from here. And then we do have this level of support here, which was respected by price as well. And then again, guys, we do have this level of support here, which was respected by price again. Okay, guys, so these other key areas that I do have, they are a little bit more far from price, so I wouldn't really be focusing much on them, but I want to focus on those key areas that are a little bit more closer to what price. So guys, here you can literally see that we do have this area here that price is running into. We do have this area that price is now currently running into, which is our support key area here. So we want to see how price is going to react. And then again, we do have this one, but the way price really did break below impassive, came back for a retest. So let's just see. So you can see that we did break below here, came back into structure. So now we're gonna see how price is gonna conduct itself here at this point in time. And then I'm just gonna put a line here so that I know that this is an error as well that I'm looking out for to see how price is gonna react on that area. So guys, now we're just gonna be having we have like 2 minutes before time. So it's just gonna be, market is gonna be a fast, where's Charmaine, the man? I think Charmaine is around, I don't know where is it. Which direction are you looking for? Guys, just prepare your chart on US30 and then I'm gonna call the direction where I'm gonna be buying or selling. I'm gonna be telling you guys, let's buy or let's sell, let's do this, let's do that. If we don't get a setup that I feel like I should take, then I'm gonna tell you guys, let's just call it a break-even day, which is not even a problem as well. Which is not a problem, guys. So now, guys, make sure that if you have something that is hot by your side, you remove it because now it's about to go down. It's about to go down. And then again, guys, if make sure that you are risking 1% or make sure that you are risking 2% of your account. Don't over risk. Make sure that you are applying proper risk management. And then again, guys, make sure that if you have a charge that is by your side, make sure that you move it because now it's about to go down. You don't want to be killed by US30. Yeah. So you move it. Okay, guys, I'm sorry by saying it. Yeah, I was supposed to say make sure that you remove them. Yeah, not it, because it is not a human. I'm sorry about that. But guys, you know, I'm a boy. I respect people. I respect, so I'm paying some bit of respect to that. You know, man. Stop tripping, bro. Stop tripping, bro. Okay, guys. So now let's just wait, guys, and see how the market is gonna move. Still pushing up, still pushing up, still pushing up. Super, super nice and simple. Let's just see how the price is gonna move here on US30, and then we're gonna take it from there. But nonetheless, guys, we are reacting to what the market is doing, not to what we think the market is doing, but to what the market is doing. So it's just gonna be reactive to what the market is doing. So now let's just wait and see. You still have like 30 seconds, which is a lot of time. 30 seconds, guys, is a lot of time. 30 seconds is a lot of time, guys. So now let's just wait, guys, and see. I'm expecting some sort of like fast move. Then we wait for price to give us the direction of which it wants to go. Then we're gonna be entering based on that direction that price will show us. So now let's just wait. We have like 8 seconds. Okay, guys, let's just enter ourselves on US30, guys. Let's enter ourselves on US30. Yeah, let's enter ourselves. You can still enter ourselves on US30. We can still enter ourselves. Okay, let me see. We are on H1, man. Hey, I'm hearing chat now. Who is doing cool now? Okay, guys, I'm just holding small and profit there. Market hasn't moved really that much. Market hasn't moved really that much, guys. Charmaine did mention that the market is going to be a little bit more slow today, but yeah, we're gonna see how the market treats itself, guys. We're gonna see how the market treats itself, and then we're gonna take it from there. We're gonna take it from there. Let me see here. You know, the market is slow. Charmaine mentioned something about market, what banks being on holidays. I don't know. Something about banks being on holidays, something like that though. Okay, guys, so because yeah, Charmaine did mention something about market being slow today, about banks and what. So, but what I want us to do, guys, okay, I want us to go through over this cell that I just took, and then we're gonna put it a session, and then I'm gonna tell you where to put your stop loss and where to put your take profit and all that. So, guys, first and foremost, guys, as you can see, we have our resistance here. As you can see on US30, we have our resistance, and then we have price here. And then again, one thing that you can notice, guys, you're gonna notice that as much as price closed below these areas, but then it closed more closer to this area compared to this level of support. So it failed to break above this area of resistance here. And then when it opened at 4:30, it shot to the downside, giving us that directional bias to say price want to go to the downside. So that is why, yeah, we're waiting. So guys, now what I'm basically gonna do, guys, now is just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold this position. I'm just gonna hold, guys. So make sure that you put a stop loss here where I put this high here. Make sure that you put a stop loss from these highs. Make sure that you don't use price. Just check there from the chart exactly, because these brokers, man, they will kill you. Okay, guys, make sure that you put a stop loss from here. Make sure that you put a stop loss from here, this area here, and then you're just gonna hold. And then I'm running in profit here. I'm hoping everyone is running in profit, guys. If you guys don't send the screenshot today, I'm not hosting a session tomorrow, because it happened this other time. You guys, we kill the market like this, and then you guys don't send the screenshot, and then I'm just left alone there thinking, oh, why these guys are not sending the screenshot? Like, it's like I don't know what I'm doing. Guys,
you're making money or it's a long story?
Are you making money or it's a long story? I don't know. Susan, I don't know if these people are making money or it's a long story. Okay, guys, but I called myself here. I'm holding about 300 and something dollars now. Yeah, TP where guys, okay, guys, our TP should be somewhere here, but make sure guys that you put your stop loss to break even to secure your profit. Make sure that you put your stop loss to break even, and guys, make sure that TP small account, guys, for I don't know, for what does that mean? But guys, make sure guys that you do the things to be done. Send me the screenshot of profit. Me, I'm out, guys. I'm out. This is a good way to start the week. So me, I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm out. Let there be peace in the Middle East. With our brothers and sisters, be safe. You ate.